Hey there, let's dive into the amazing process of photosynthesis. Imagine you're a plant, like a little green factory, turning sunlight into yummy food. Ready? Let's go. The essentials. What do plants need? To perform photosynthesis, plants need sunlight, water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, CO2. Where does photosynthesis happen? Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplasts of plant cells. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, the green pigment that captures sunlight. In photosynthesis, there are two main stages. First, the light-dependent reactions. These reactions absolutely need light to occur and take place in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplasts. Here's what happens. Sunlight strikes the chlorophyll, exciting its electrons, giving them extra energy. Water molecules then split into oxygen, protons, and electrons. The oxygen is released into the air. The excited electrons move through a series of proteins called the electron transport chain. As they move, they help produce ATP and NADPH, which are crucial energy molecules. The products here include oxygen, ATP, and NADPH. Next, we have the light-independent reactions, or the Calvin cycle. These reactions don't need light directly and occur in the stroma of the chloroplasts. Using the energy from ATP and NADPH, carbon dioxide from the air is fixed to a 5-carbon molecule called RuBP. This process creates a 6-carbon compound that immediately splits into 2 3-carbon molecules. These molecules are then converted into a 3-carbon sugar called G3P. Some G3P molecules leave the cycle to form glucose, while others are recycled to regenerate RuBP, allowing the cycle to continue. The products of this stage are glucose, ADP, and NADP+. Putting it all together, the overall equation for photosynthesis looks like this. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus light energy produces 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. This means 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water, using the energy from sunlight, produce 1 molecule of glucose and 6 molecules of oxygen. Think about an apple tree. During the day, its leaves are busy absorbing sunlight and taking in carbon dioxide from the air. They use water from the soil. Through photosynthesis, they create glucose, which the tree uses for energy to grow apples. The oxygen produced is released into the air, which we then breathe. Pretty cool, right? Why is photosynthesis important? Well, for starters, it produces the oxygen we breathe. It also forms the base of our food chain, meaning without photosynthesis, we wouldn't have fruits, vegetables, or even the animals that eat plants. Moreover, fossil fuels like coal and oil are actually ancient plants that stored energy from the sun millions of years ago. And that's the magic of photosynthesis. It's how plants turn sunlight into the energy that fuels all life on Earth. Cool, huh?